Chicken out. Chicken out. To decide not to do something because of fear. He wanted to ask her out but chickened out. They planned to go skydiving, but they chickened out at the last minute. Duck out. Duck out. To leave quickly or secretly. She ducked out of the party before anyone noticed. He ducked out of work early to catch a movie. Horse around. Horse around. To play or joke around in a silly way. The siblings were horsing around in the backyard. The kids loved to horse around during recess. Pig out. Pig out. To eat a lot of food. We pigged out on snacks while watching the game. After the hike, they pigged out at the buffet. Monkey around. Monkey around. To behave in a silly or playful way. The students were monkeying around instead of studying. Stop monkeying around and help me with this. Wolf down. Wolf down. To eat something very quickly. He wolfed down his breakfast before heading to school. They wolfed down the burgers at the picnic. Beaver away. Beaver away. To work hard on something. She beavered away at her project all night. He has been beavering away in the garden all weekend. Fish out. Fish out. To pull something out of a place. She fished out her wallet from her purse. He fished out the last cookie from the jar. Ferret out. Ferret out. To find something out after searching. The detective ferreted out the hidden evidence. She managed to ferret out the missing files. Rabbit on. Rabbit on. To talk continuously about something, often boringly. He tends to rabbit on about his vacation stories. She can rabbit on for hours about her favorite books. Fish for. Fish for. To try to get a response or information. He was fishing for compliments after his presentation. She tried to fish for details about the surprise party.